Subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon.
Hello, I'm the ocean doctor, Mew Mew. Ocean rescue, let's go! Where do we need to go to rescue the ocean critter? Let's take a look. Yay! The jellyfish looks poisoned. The jellyfish was swimming in polluted water. It got sick. Let's help her. Please apply an antiseptic to the jellyfish. The jellyfish is cured! The jellyfish is hungry. Let's feed it!